Hello students. So the topic that we are going to discuss today is computerized accounting system. So as we all know that technology will overcome accountants very soon. So in this increasing technology, we have to be updated about the accounting computerized system. The only reason to study this chapter is to be updated about how to compete with the increasing technology in the environment of accounting. Now, let us revise with these concise notes. Computerized accounting system का features क्या है? ठीक है? What are the features of computerized accounting system? The very first one is information will be processed by one or more computers. Okay? Computers may be operated by the entity or by a third party. Processing of information done with the help of one or more computer softwares. Now, softwares include any program that performs a desired function and maintain that program routine. Computer software can be of two types, acquired software or developed specifically for the business. Acquired software is again of two types, that is spreadsheet package and pre-packaged or prepared accounting. Now these were some of the basic features of computerized accounting system. Now what is the significance, that is importance of computerized accounting system? The importance are as follows. The speed will be several fold higher. Of course, if anyone wants their work to get done fast, then he will be approaching the latest technologies and not the manual work. Okay, so the speed is several fold higher in computerized accounting system. Everything will be automatic. For example, automatic correct balancing of ledger accounts, automatic tally trial balance, automatic income statement will be generated, and automatic balance sheet will be also generated. So these are some of the importance or significance of computerized accounting system. My dear friends, have you ever thought about any threat in computerized accounting system or any danger? So the only concern that has increased today are concern for controls, security and integrity of the computer system, as more and more information is stored not in hard print but as soft copies inside the computer. So issues like unauthorized access to the data through a LAN. LAN is local area network or internet. Okay, so there may be any unauthorized access to the data through LAN or internet. Or another threat could be by hacking into company server. So these two are one of the main threat to computerized accounting system. Now, classification and codification of accounts. Major heads, first comes major head, then sub-major head, then minor heads, then subheads and then detailed heads. So these are the classification and codification of accounts. Now here comes pre-packaged accounting software. What is pre-packaged accounting software? My dear friends, the name itself suggests pre-packaged accounting software, means the software is pre-packaged. So it is available in the market, used for mainly medium and small sized organization, and which is very easy to install, and installation is of course very simple, which provides user manual. So these are the meaning of pre-packaged accounting software. Now what are the advantages of pre-packaged software? It is easy to install, it is relatively inexpensive, that is not very expensive, easy to use, simple backup procedures are there, and it is effective for small and medium sized organization because they don't have to maintain much data, and it also provides flexibility of report formats. So if it is having advantages, of course it will have some disadvantage. So let us see what are the disadvantages of pre-packaged accounting software. So the disadvantages of pre-packaged accounting software are as follows. It does not cover all functional areas. Okay, so your organization is having some other functional areas, so it is not necessary that these pre-packaged software are covering all your functional areas of your organization. And second one is it does not cover peculiarities of specific business, as what I said now. Now customization may not be possible. Okay, you might not be able to customize according to your needs. Lack of security. Okay, so there might be lack of security in pre-packaged accounting software. Bugs in software. Okay, so bugs may also remain there. The last one is reports generated for management control may not be available in package. Okay, so reports might not be available in pre-packaged accounting software. Next comes the very important point, that is matters that are to be considered for selection of pre-packaged accounting software. What points should be kept in mind before purchasing any pre-packaged accounting software? So the very first one is fulfillment of business requirement. That is, the purchaser should ensure whether the available software meets all the business requirements or not. Second one is it should be easy to install. That is, the purchaser should ensure whether the available software is easy to operate or not. The third one is completeness of reports. The purchaser should ensure whether the available software can provide all the reports required by business or not. And it should not involve very high installation and running cost, of course, or else it will not benefit the organization because the cost will be very high. Okay, so we should see that the cost is not very expensive. Now, vendors should have good reputation and track records and regular updates. Of course, it should be ensured whether the vendor is prepared to give updates or not. So we have to keep all these points in mind before buying any pre-packaged accounting software for the organization. Next comes customized accounting software. Okay, so what is the meaning of customized accounting software? It is one which is developed on the basis of requirements of the organization. A feasibility study is made before the decision to develop a software is made. And what are the advantages of customized accounting software? Look here. Functional areas of the organization gets computerized. So we will be designing this software according to the needs of the organization. So of course the functional areas of the organization will get computerized. The next one is the input screens can be tailor-made to match the input documents for ease of data entry. The next advantage is that it provides many MIS reports as per organization specifications. Then it also facilitates the use of barcode scanners, which is really important in today's business, and suitably match with the organization structure of the company. ठीक है, और क्या ही चाहिए? ठीक है, कंपनी को बस उसका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नीड्स या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर के अकॉर्डिंग उसका सॉफ्टवेयर बना रहना चाहिए. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, इसका भी एडवांटेज है तो डिसएडवांटेज होगा ही. नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट आर द डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ कंप्यूटराइज्ड अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर. Bugs may remain because of inadequate testing. Okay, documentation may not complete. Next disadvantage is that requirement specifications are incomplete and frequent changes made may result in computer or system compromise. Now the biggest disadvantage is that vendor may not be willing to support software due to other commitments and part with source code. Next is control measures may be inadequate, and the last disadvantage of customized accounting software is that it may be delay in completion of software due to inadequate project management. So my dear friends, within 4 minutes we have completed this small chapter which may hold maybe 5 to 7 marks in our paper number 5, that is financial accounting. So just revise it a little, and this chapter doesn't require much efforts, so you can just attempt this question in theory part. And this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you till then.